Wanted to do a video on the different types of Ridgid augers. I'm here to auger out a toilet. I just bought this one a couple days ago because I've never had auger with the drop head. Just a little bit bigger. This is the most expensive one, the drop head. This one's about 90 bucks. Whereas your standard one that I've had for many years just has this bulb head on it. And then you have the urinal auger, which has a smaller cable and it has a little blade on the end for pea crystals. And it's shorter, much shorter. So this one goes, I think, 4 feet, the urinal auger, whereas these two go 6 feet. They all come with the removable hand spinner thing. I don't actually use it. I put them on the end of my drill. A little Milwaukee. You just attach the chuck to that. It works very well. I store these in, I don't know where I got this, but it has little holes in it so air gets in there and doesn't rot out the cable. Lets it air out a little bit. But for today, I'm going to use my new one. And then if I have issues getting it past the trap, I will use the bulb head auger. I actually saw somebody online using one of these, and I knew they existed, but with this one you can't really catch anything on the end of that unless it's wipes. I saw a guy catch like a toy or something. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I remember thinking, oh dang, like having this little drop head and this little hook on the end could save me in a pinch from having to pull a toilet, you know? Maybe something's stuck in there and this pulls it out and then I don't have to pull the toilet. So that's why I got it. I just like being prepared for anything. That's why my truck is super clean, because rarely do I have to leave a job to get people up and running, you know? And quite frankly, most of the time I can properly, I would say 95% of the time with what I got in here, I can properly fix 95% of plumbing issues at residential. And I'd say probably 75% of issues at commercial. Because commercial, you know, I have 2-inch in here, but there's just certain things I don't carry that I just don't have room for. Been thinking about getting a bigger truck, but okay, let's give this sucker a try, see how she works. Extend it. Oh, I got it. To extend it, you just push this button. You pull it. And then it clicks. And then you just push it back in. Sandpaper flush test. I noticed that this auger really easily scratches up the toilet, so I'll show you how to fix that. Pumice stone works wonders, literally. I one time was cutting off like a 3-handle valve with a with my angle grinder, and I nicked one of the tiles, and it left this little black streak out in the tile, and I used pumice stone. Literally could not see it after I was done using this thing. I used like half a bar, but it works really well. All right, I'm done with that job. I figured maybe some of you want to see how these augers function. So I'm going to take it apart real quick. I'll show you. Okay, so you have the little tube here, right? And then you have this piece at the end of the drill goes on, and you have the 2 holes, as you can see, that goes inside of this, right? And then you have the cable itself, which at the end of it just has kind of similar to the K60, and then that's pretty much how it operates. And then to lengthen it, you saw how I did it, right? So anyway, that's it.